Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we need to divide by s on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So we have 2x divided by s, you got about number 2. For s divided by s, you got about number 4. So this one we have number 2 plus 3 over s. This one we have 4 minus 5 over s. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one they go to positive infinity. Number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one in here. So we will have about 2 plus 0 over 4 minus 0. So we have 2 over 4 and we have 1 over 2. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. Now this is about s squared. This is about s squared. So we need to divide by s squared on numerator and denominator. So for this one, s squared divided by s squared, 1 divided by s squared. So we can do similar for numerator and denominator. So we will have about 2 plus 1 over s squared. This one we have 6 over s squared plus 1 over s minus number 3. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0. This one you got about 0 because the number divided by infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one in here. So we have the final answer. So we have negative number 2 over 3. And this is the final answer. Question C. We know that s squared is about the highest power in here. So we need to divide by s squared. So if we simplify, and we have s approach to positive infinity. So s divided by s squared, you got about 1 over s over 1 plus 5 over s squared. So this one you got about 0. This one you got about 0 when s approach to positive infinity. So we have number 0 in here. The next one. We have s squared is the highest power on here. And s is about number 1. So we compare about the power. This is about the highest power in here. So because this one is about highest power on numerator. When s go to positive infinity, this one they will go to positive infinity, because this is bigger than this one in here. That's why you got about positive infinity. Now we do similar for c. We divide by s squared in here. So we will have about 1 over s plus 3 over s squared plus 1 plus 5 over s plus 6 over s squared. So this one we will have about 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0. And you got about number 0 in here. Now for this one, we need to multiply by 3 to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So 3 to the power of s multiplied by 3 to the power of s. Similar for this one in here. Next, we divide by 3 to the power of 2s on numerator and denominator. So we have 1 minus 1 over 3 to the power of 2s over 1 plus 1 over 3 to the power of 2s. When s go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one. And we got number 1 in here. Now we have s go to negative infinity, so I will put about s equals to negative t. So because we change s into negative t, so negative t go to negative infinity. Now we simplify negative side for the both sides, so t will go to positive infinity. So the new one that should be like this. So s we change for negative t. And negative t, negative s, and we change with negative t, you got about positive t in here. Similar for this one. Now we divide both sides by 3 to the power of t. So you got about 3 to the power of negative 2t, because 1 over 3 to the power of t equals to number 3 to the power of negative t. That's why you got about negative t with another negative t, and we have negative 2t. This one, we got number 1. Next, we can write this one like this. So when this is t not s, So when t go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0, 0. So we have like this. And we have negative number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.